Hello everyone, welcome to Edufy. Today we are here in the part 3 of the history series with respect to the important MCQs for the upcoming NPSC exam. So before starting this part, I want to rectify the errors that were present in the previous, these were the typo errors present in the previous parts, that is part 1 and part 2 of the history section. So one question in the history part, in the part 1 video, it was saying that on 21st July, national flag design was conceived. However, the correct date as mentioned in the comments by few students, it is 22 July 1947. So that was a typing error. So you can change that. Another thing, in the part 2 of the series of history questions MCQs, there was first question, which is saying that where the term Swaraj was first used. So that question was made with respect to the Congress session, in which Congress session for the first time who used the term Swaraj. So that was Dadabhai Naoroji. Although Swaraj was used previously also, as mentioned by some student in the comment, it was used by Bal Gangadhar Tilak when he was saying Swaraj is my birthright. It was also used way before Bal Gangadhar Tilak by Dayanand Saraswati also. So here the question was with respect to Congress session. So now let us come to the part 3, starting with the questions. First question is, who started the newspaper Al Hilal? Al Hilal newspaper. So it was option A, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. He started this newspaper. That is a Urdu weekly. It is a Urdu paper, weekly paper, started by Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. Now coming to the next question, the Home Rule League movement was launched by Annie Besant. See, this was the Home Rule League. We have seen the Home Rule League movement started in 1916, 1917, all these years. And the Home Rule League of Annie Besant was started in 1916. Okay? There were two Home Rule League parts. One started by Tilak, another started by Annie Besant. The area of expansion of this Home Rule League was confined when it comes to case of Bal Gangadhar Tilak. It was confined to the some of the states of Maharashtra and other nearby regions except Bombay, while the rest of India, the responsibility of this Home Rule League movement was with Annie Besant. So that is one thing which you can know, especially in case of Bombay. Bombay was the responsibility given to Annie Besant. So sometimes they confuse it in terms of Bombay. So that's the answer. Answer is 1916. The next question. The Cripps mission was sent to India during the time of which viceroy? So it was Lord Linglingtho. Why? When was this sent? When was Cripps mission sent? It was sent in 1942. What was the issue? It was sent to decide the constitutional question with respect to India. Okay, the constitutional question with respect to India, right? And this mission was a failure because what it gave dominion status. It said for dominion status to be given to India. Now coming to the next question, who was the viceroy when Simon Commission came to India? The first thing is, आपको ये पता होना चाहिए, when Simon Commission came to India, it was 1927. Okay, it was all white commission, which came, whose purpose was, it came for reviewing the 1919 Government of India Act. Although it was to come after 10 years, that is in 1929, but it came 2 years early in 1927. And it was the time period of which viceroy? Option A, Lord Irwin. Remember, see, sometimes they ask question, the event happened in which viceroy's term. So we here in this series, we have focused more on the governor generals and viceroy type of questions. Coming to the next question, what was the name of the ship of the Captain Hawkins by which he came to Surat? So you know this part. The first factory established by Britishers in 1613. Okay, that is in Surat, and Captain Hawkins for the first time came to India in Surat, that is in Gujarat, by the ship named Hector. So sometimes they ask what was the name of the ship by which Hawkins came to India. So it was Hector ship. Next question. Who among the following first referred to 1857 revolt as the first war of independence? It was option B, V.D. Savarkar. It was option B, V.D. Savarkar, who said that 1857 revolt is the first war of independence in India. So that is the question. Next question. The blue water policy was introduced by Almeida. He was a Portuguese governor that came to India. You know, in India, entry of European happened with coming of Portuguese, then Dutch, then English, and then French. So Portuguese governor, that is Almeida, made this blue water policy where they want to establish their dominance. Portuguese want to establish their dominance in the Arabian Sea and other parts of the Indian Ocean. Fine. Next question. The Ilbert Bill controversy primarily highlighted the issue of a racial discrimination in judiciary. So it happened during the time of which viceroy? Lord Ripon. Okay, and it highlighted how there was discrimination, racial basis happened in the judiciary, where Indians were not allowed to try European subjects. Okay, so that is the issue of Ilbert Bill controversy. Right. Next question. The formation of Swaraj Party took place after which of the following event? It was after Chauri Chaura. See, first what happened? Non-cooperation movement happened in 1920 and it went on till 1922. That is in February. In 5th February, there was Chauri Chaura incident of violence that occurred, and after that we will see there was sudden halt done to the non-cooperation movement by Gandhiji, after which the question of accepting the party office on the upcoming reforms, on the upcoming elections came, and there was again a split-like situation within Congress where some of the members of the Congress wanted that they should take part in the elections to the Central Legislative Assembly. Okay, that is central parliament, that is parliament, the mini parliament. However, those members, they separately formed a new party that is called Swaraj Party, and it was formed in year 1923. Who was the member that were active? C.R. Das, who were the founder, and Motilal Nehru. These were the two people that were active in the formation of this party. So Chauri Chaura, February 1922, and in April this party was formed. Right? 23. Next question. I think this is done. The communal award. The communal award was announced by who? It was Ramsay MacDonald, the recently elected Prime Minister in Britain, and they gave this 1932 award that is called Communal Award, where the issue was the separate electorate system was extended even to the depressed classes, against which Gandhiji will do the fasting in the Yerwada jail in Pune, and there will be consequently Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and Gandhiji will sign Pune Pact, where it was decided that no, the communal award will not be accepted, and instead of in place of separate electorate for depressed class, we will accept the reservation for the depressed class. So that is That is your Pune Pact Communal Award. And who was the Prime Minister? British Prime Minister at that time? Ramsay MacDonald. Right? Next question, who among the following was not a member of Cabinet Mission? Cabinet Mission came to India. Cabinet Mission came to India in 1946. It was a 3-member mission who came to decide the constitutional question with respect to formation of Constituent Assembly, how it will be formed. And the members of that Cabinet Mission involved Pethick Lawrence, Strafford Cripps, and A.V. Alexander. Lord Wavell was not the part of Cabinet Mission. So answer here will be D. Lord Wavell not part of the Cabinet Mission. Fine. Next question. Next question. Annie Besant became the president of INC in which year? It was 1917. It was 1917 when she launched Home Rule League movement, and after which she was arrested, and there was huge hue and cry over this, and people have gathered a lot at many places in support of Annie Besant, and finally British government has to release Annie Besant. After that she became the president of INC in 1907. And there can be one more question, that Annie Besant is the first woman president of Congress. Okay, if we say first woman president, if we say first Indian woman, it is Sarojini Naidu that became the president of Congress session. Now, coming to the next question, the Ahmedabad mill strike of 1918 was led by Gandhiji using which method? Using which method? It was the method of fasting and arbitration. I think there is some problem. Which method Gandhiji adopted in the strike of Ahmedabad mill? That is the method of fasting unto death and arbitration with the management of the mill workers. So answer will be C. Next question. Swatantrata Senani title was given by British to whom? C option, that is Lala Lajpat Rai. He was given the title of Swatantrata Senani, Lala Lajpat Rai. Next question, the first Indian to be elected to the British House of Commons was Dadabhai Naoroji, about whom we have discussed in the previous class also, about his book and how he is referred to as Grand Old Man of India. Next question, the dual government in Bengal in 1765 to 72 was ended by Warren Hastings with coming of 1773 Regulating Act. With coming of Regulating Act, dual government system was collapsed and there was beginning of control of British Crown over the East India Company. We will see from coming regulating the activities of British East India Company. And who was the person who started dual government? It was Robert Clive. Okay, so that is the next question. The Muslim League was founded during the viceroyalty of which? Lord Minto. And when was Muslim League formed? It was formed in 1906 at Dhaka, that is present day Bangladesh. Okay, so it was, answer will be Lord Minto. Next, during whose tenure was Vernacular Press Act repealed? The question is, when VPA, that is the Act of 1878, it was repealed during the time period of which viceroy? Repealed means it was taken back. Okay, it was during the viceroyalty of Lord Ripon. Another thing happened in Ripon's time, that is Ilbert Bill controversy, which we have seen previously. So coming to the next question, who was elected as the President of Indian National Congress in the famous Tripuri session of 1939? So who was Congress President? It was Subhash Chandra Bose. And after this you will see there will be the Subhash Chandra Bose will be leaving Congress and forming Forward Bloc also, and Forward Bloc in 1939, and later on he will leave India in 1940 after declaration of World War II. Then he will go to Germany and then finally to Japan and come to Singapore, and will be really important person in the formation of Azad Hind government as well as Azad Hind Fauj. So you will see this session of Tripuri, where we saw a crisis in terms of presidentship of Congress. It was headed by Subhash Chandra Bose. Now, next question, last question. Consider the following events. Consider the following events and put them according to the chronological order. So, answer will be B, 3124. So, you will see Simon Commission. Simon Commission came in 1927. Tick. Then it will be first round table conference, that is around 1930. First round table conference just after the beginning of CDM, that is civil disobedience movement. And finally we will see signing of 1932 Gandhi Irwin Pact, and in 1942 we will see coming of Cripps mission. So you need to remember the timeline of these important events also. So in this manner your answer will be C, 3124. Okay, so that was all in today's MCQ series. I hope you like the questions, and thank you very much.